How to sign in into Paperless Employee account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Paperless Employee account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first step is open up your web browser. Then simply search for Paperless Employee Login. Then from here, you'll find different websites. So head over to the first one that says paperlessemployee.com. Open that up and it should take you to this website. So after you're here, as you can see, to access the information, you will need your employee website address that is provided by your employer. So here you can see this is what the website should look like. So it should be paperlessemployee.com/ your company's name. And if you don't have this information, you can simply contact to your HR. And now what you'll need to do is use your user ID and then password to log in. So after that, you'll be logged in. And it's basically that simple. So yeah, what you'll have to first do is ask for your HR or payroll team for your website. You can just go through with this as well. So after you do that, you'll be logged in by typing in your user ID and the password. And it's basically that simple, guys. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.